Let's make bacon blue cheese burgers. First up, the bacon. Place onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet, over the top a wire rack. This will prevent it from curling. Bake at 350 degrees for 24 to 26 minutes, or until crispy. Next up, the caramelized onions. Into a frying pan, unsalted butter, oil so the butter doesn't burn. Once the butter has melted, 1 large onion, 1 tablespoon of sugar, season with salt and pepper. Cook over low heat for 15 to 18 minutes. Deglaze with a half cup of red wine. Bring up to a boil over high heat, reduce to low and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes, or until a jammy-like consistency forms. And then for the burgers, into a frying pan, a little bit of oil, in goes your burger patties. Cook over medium heat for 5 minutes on the first side and 3 minutes on the second side for medium rare. On goes blue cheese crumbles. Under the broiler it goes until the cheese has melted. Onto a toasted bun, some fig jam, on goes your burger patty, caramelized onions, bacon to make it healthy, some more fig jam on the top half of the bun, and finally, you can crown your burger. And once again, fig jam, burger patty, caramelized onions, a few slices of bacon, jam on the top half, crown your burger, and there we have it, bacon blue cheese burgers.